So I have a MacBook that of course has a built-in camera. However, I did break my camera. So I wanted to get a webcam that I could use for my Zoom meetings and things of that nature. And I came across Enther's webcam. Now, one thing that immediately caught my eye was that it did have a 20% off discount coupon. And that made me click the coupon. But it also has some key features that I definitely needed. For one, do you guys see this? It's a little privacy lens. If you're like me, I like my privacy and I don't want my webcam to pop on at just any random moment and people see me in my pajamas. So usually I'll put a sticky note or a piece of tape or something over my webcam. With this little lens already being here, I don't have to worry about that. Another thing I love, it's adjustable to fit my laptop screen. It's a plug and play device. What that means, all you have to do is plug it in. You don't have to download any drivers. With me having a MacBook, not all products work well with it. So what you can do if you're an Apple user, you get into your FaceTime or your photo booth, you click on camera and you select this camera and that's it. You show up. Another thing I love about it, it has 2 noise canceling microphones built into it. So when I'm in my meetings, my customers, my clients, my coworkers, they can focus on what I'm saying instead of all the background noise that I have going on. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So I would give this a 5 out of 5. You should definitely use this, especially if you're every day on a video call. And if you're not every day on a video call, it's worth the money to have it around, just in case you need it. So definitely try it. Try it. And it has a coupon, so you should definitely try it.
You're not going to want to miss out on this 1080p HD webcam with microphones. With great quality not only for the video but for the audio too, it's a no-brainer. I especially love the privacy cover and the magnetic suction hold that keeps your camera in place and you won't get any shaky video.
I'm truly in love with the quality that the Ether and Max Hub webcam puts out during my meetings. It puts out 1080p resolution and it also has 2 dual noise reducing microphones that are built into it. And this is a small little touch, but it's a big deal to me. It actually has this lens cover that covers the lens to make sure you have your privacy.
Cameras and webcams are often really blurry or distorted in their picture. That's why I use Selby's 1080p webcam. One of my favorite features about this webcam is the really easy to use privacy cover.
This webcam comes with a metal case and has a quality picture and mic. It's really easy to use and widely compatible.
Introducing the Enter SC21. This high definition cam will turn your life from this to this. The Enter SC21 comes with a built-in mic that blocks outside noise, so no need for them expensive mics. And with the flexible camera lens, it doesn't matter how tall or short you are. This game changer will make sure you always stay in high definition, no matter how much you move. And with the privacy lens, it doesn't matter how tired you get in your life. You can close it, take a break with that Kit Kat bar, and get back to it when you're ready. Start live streaming like a winner and get the Enter SC21 today.